Hey, what's up guys, this is Rakesh and I'm back with a new video. This is the unboxing of the MI-A2, which is the Android one, guys. This is the continuous version of the MI-A1, which is a successor from the Xiaomi, guys. So let's see what's written in the box. It says Android one over the box, and this phone has a 20MP front camera which supports AI, and this phone has a 12+20 front AI dual camera setup at the back, and this phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 AIE processor, guys, and this phone comes with an Android one, guys. That's nice of the MI, and this model is 6GB 128GB black color, guys. Let's quickly unbox it and see what it has. Let me just cut this seal over here. At the top you got the small box, guys. Let's see what do we get in it. You got a SIM ejection tool and a 3.5mm headphone dongle. This phone doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, guys. That's not nice. And this phone has a TPU soft black case, guys. That's very nice of them. And you got an MI warranty card, and you got an MI user guide, guys, that make sure to read because it has all info on the product. So now let's take the phone out. So this is how the Xiaomi's MI-A2 looks like, guys. Let me just peel the sticker over here. Wow, this phone has a 5.9-inch 18:9 aspect ratio display. The display on it looks awesome, guys. So let's see what do we get in the box. You got a MI charger. Let me just take it out. It's regular 2amp charger, guys. Let me just show you. Let me just focus on it. It's regular 2amp charger, guys, not a fast charger, but this phone supports fast charger, guys. Now let's see what do we get here. You got an USB Type-C port, guys. Yes, this phone gets a Type-C port, guys. That's very nice of MI, guys. Now let's check out the MI phone, guys. So here is the MI handset itself. It comes in this nice black color. The back is made up of metal. Let me just peel the sticker at the back. This phone has a 5.9-inch Full HD Plus display with Corning 2.5D Gorilla Glass protection, guys. So now let's quickly see the physical overview of this phone. At the front you got the front facing 20MP camera and a few sensors and a metal earpiece. At the bottom you got a single down-firing speaker, a microphone and a Type-C port. At the top you got the IR blaster, a secondary noise cancelling mic. At the back you got the 12+20MP dual AI camera and a flashlight inside the camera, and you got a fingerprint reader. It is placed in a nice and good position. Now let's turn the phone and see how it looks. While the time it boots up, let me go through the specs. So I have gone through the setup process and set up the fingerprint reader, guys. Now let's check out the speed of the fingerprint reader. Wow, the fingerprint reader was just amazing, guys. It unlocks the phone in the very decent time. It was blazing speed, guys. Just have a look. Okay, now let's go to the settings app and see what the phone has. You got the about phone, network and internet, connected devices, app and notification, battery, display, sound, storage, security and location, accounts, accessibility, me services, Google and system. Let's go to the about phone. The device name it says MI-A2 and the phone number it says unknown. Now let's see the Android version. It's running on the Android 9 out of the box. Now let's see. It comes in this Pie Android. Here's the Easter egg. Now let's go to the camera app and see what the phone has. Here, this is the camera interface, guys. It looks just like the other Xiaomi phones. And here you got the photo. At the upper, you got the flashlight, you got the HDR and a filter. And here you got camera settings, timer, tilt shift, straighten, group selfie, HHD, beautify and Google Lens, guys. This phone has a pre-installed Google Lens, that's very nice. And here you got the portrait mode, and here you got the square, and here you got the panorama, and here you got the manual mode. In manual mode, you can adjust the white balance, focus, shutter speed, ISO, and lens case. You can switch between these two lenses, 12 and 20 MP lens. That's very nice. At the video, you got the flashlight on and off, and you got the settings. Let's see what do we have. And it says the image stabilization on or off, and this phone has a capability of shooting 4K at 30 FPS video, guys. Let's see. Yeah, this phone supports UHD 4K at 30 FPS and FHD 1080p at 30 FPS. All these videos are electronic image stabilization, guys, instead of 4K, guys. And here you got the short video, and here you got the settings, and here you got the time lapse, and here you got the slow motion, guys. This phone can shoot 720p at 120 FPS, guys. Now what I'll do now is I take a shot with this phone and show you the photo and the video samples in a moment, guys. Oh, I forgot to say the shutter speed of this phone. Now let's see the shutter speed of this phone. The shutter speed was okay. Okay, now I'll show you the photo and the video samples in a moment. So these are the photo samples I shot with the rear camera on the MA2, guys. This phone comes with a 12 plus 20 MP dual AI camera. The details on those photos was very nice, guys. The colors look rich and punchy. The focus was on point. Just have a look at these images, guys. I think this phone has the best camera under the 20k budget, guys. So these are the photo samples I shot on the low light, guys. You can't see any image, any kind of noise in those images. So these are the photo samples I shot with the front camera, guys. This phone has a 20 MP camera. So these are the video samples I shot with the MA2, guys. Do you know, guys, the review of the 2019 RS200 video was fully shot by the MA2, guys. This video card is above, guys. You can click it and see the review of the 2019 RS200, guys. It's a single down-firing speaker, guys. Now let's check out the speaker quality of this phone. The speaker output was very loud, guys. It is loud enough to cover a small room. I think this one has the best speaker in its class. The vocals feel warm and mellow. The bass was rich and punchy. I think this one has the best speaker. The distraction was also less even at max volume. Here is the max volume. Now let's check out the display quality of this phone, guys. This phone has a 1080p panel, guys. Now let's check them. Now this video is running on 4K, guys. Wow, the display on it looks very nice, guys. This phone has an 18:9 aspect ratio display. Just have a look at this clip. The colors in this display was very nice, guys. Look at the sharpness. The display is very nice, guys. I have run Geekbench 4 on it. It got a single core score of 1618 and a multiple core score of 4691. What we expect from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. And this phone can also very graphics intensive game like PUBG and as for 9, guys. Okay, now let's start off with PUBG. I'm playing this game in high graphics settings. Let me just show you. I was playing in high graphics settings and HD. This device will support the HDR option will be soon, guys, on the next update. So now let's start off with playing, guys. You can see there is no lag in this game, guys. The gameplay was buttery smooth, guys. The display was very nice. Just have a look. shadows. Look at those shadows on the flight, guys. That is very sharp. The Snapdragon chip was doing its job great, guys. If you guys see those lags, that's because of my network connection, guys. My network has become some slow, so that's why the gameplay is a bit laggy, guys. But I have also tested this PUBG in EMEA2 in a higher speed network, guys. Then it would be awesome, guys. Sorry for an inconvenience, guys. So that's all my unboxing and review on this MI82, guys. It performs well, especially those cameras were doing a great job for the price, guys. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And thank you for this 160 plus subscribers, guys. So support my channel and I'll be back, guys.